Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. Today, let us create a small demo on SSIS, that is Aggregate Transformation. So, what is Aggregate Transformation? We can use to average or find out the sum, minimum, maximum count these operations on the given source data. You can also use group by clause and to perform the aggregation transformation. For example, I have Ram. I have isn't staying in Chennai. John in Bangalore, Venu in Chennai, Salman in Hyderabad. So I wanted to get, so how many people are there in Chennai? How many people are there in Hyderabad? How many, guys are there in Bangalore? If I wanted to get this kind of an aggregations, then definitely I have to group the data based on city column and I have to get the data. So I had taken one small demo in this. So let me go here. So let me drag and drop a go to the control flow and take in data flow task, and to go to the data flow, I have dragged and dropped the file here. The file is having this kind of a data. Okay. So I have this kind of a data. I have male data and I have a female data. So I wanted to find out how many males you have and how many females you have. So in syntax wise SQL Server, how do we do that? When you have the data, we'll say select gender wise and we say count star from say employee table. We are going to use group by clause. Group by what? Gender. So this is what in the SQL Server. But how can you do the same thing with the help of aggregate? This one. Okay, so this is my source data. Now, so then you have to go to the transformation and drag and drop aggregate here and connect both of them. Double click on this. Now it is saying there is a star mark. Okay, so when you check this, it's going to count. Okay, so it is simply a count star, and I wanted to perform a gender wise number of people I have. Okay, so how many males I have and how many females I have. This is the alias you can have, count all, and click on OK. So now I wanted to take one destination table, OLEDB destination I wanted to take, and connect this. Double click on this, and so go to database, and so here I have to give so gender wise count or gender count. Okay, so gender wise, gender wise count. This is the table name I wanted to give. Okay, now this is the one I wanted to keep gender first, comma. Later I wanted to keep count or count all, whatever you wanted to have, or you can say number of people. So whatever you wanted to have, you can have. So you can say number of, you know, customers, something like this. Whatever you wanted to have, you can have. And this is what is the table name, and click on OK and mappings. So gender is gender, and here count let us mapping it map to the number of customers. Okay, so everything is fine, and save and start debugging it. So I have 9 rows are there, but when you go here, it went only 2 rows. You come here and go to the database gender wise count. When execute, you have female only 3 and male we have 6 people. So this is what is the a simple aggregate transformation on the count. Thank you so much. Is it clear?